Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepelon token. Pepelon Mars is the full name of the token. Pepelon is the ticker symbol. This is a combination of Pepe and Elon. Now we got Pepelon. This token has about a day left or so on their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. They've been doing very well. They've been trending in the top 12 tokens on PinkSale for the last day or two, well past their soft cap. It's already a successful pre-sale. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description. And let's get into this token here. So this token, the Pepelon token, has a full audit. So they were audited by Cyberscope, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means their team was doxxed to verify who they are for security reasons. They have a Seifu badge on here by Trinos, and you can view all of those PDFs on PinkSale. Now for socials, they have a Telegram, which is at Pepelon Mars Official. Then we have a Twitter, which is at Pepelon_Mars. And then we have their webpage, pepelonmars.net. So Pepelon is the richest Pepe on the block. The time has come to combine the two favorite memes of our generation. The liquidity pool and pre-sale combined is 93.1% of the total supply and is locked. Contract is renounced with 6.9% reserved for Tier 2 and Tier 1 central exchange listings post-launch. 0% buy and sell fee, no team tokens, renounced contract, Twitter trending, Dex Tools trending, AveDex trending, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko Fast Track, and worldwide billboards. So this token has just a little bit over a day left for this pre-sale. Soft cap for this pre-sale was set at 40 BNB, and they've sold over 300 BNB worth of tokens. So they're doing very well, and there's still like a full day left. But if you missed this pre-sale, if you're not a subscriber, you didn't see this video in time, and you want to get this token, first of all, hit subscribe so you don't miss any new tokens. Second of all, you can get this token shortly after the pre-sale is over by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the Pepelon token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, pepelon.mars or pepelonmars.net. You probably will not have to change slippage because it says 0% buy and sell tax. And liquidity will be locked on Pancakeswap for 365 days, according to PinkSale. So they'll announce shortly after, probably on their Twitter, at Pepelon_Mars, when the pool is filled on Pancakeswap shortly after the pre-sale is done. So I would follow their Twitter. Now, there's 9 decimal places on this token. There's a total supply of 420,690 billion tokens. Initial market cap estimate is $153,344. Token allocation is pretty straightforward. They already went over it. It is split up between most of the tokens going to pre-sale, liquidity, and then the rest central exchange listings. Only a tiny bit, 1.15% of the tokens are unlocked, according to PinkSale. So if we head over to their official webpage, there's going to be more information over there. Now, their official webpage here, pepelonmars.net, has how to buy, in case you didn't understand what I said earlier, how to get it. They do have a full white paper, it looks like, is available too. They're partners with DexView, BSC Scan, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, PinkSale, Pancakeswap. So welcome to the Pepelon meme coin, which aims to merge the two favorite memes of our generation. Our project isn't here to create the next revolutionary utility to change the space. Rather, our main goal is to showcase how memes and viral marketing can pave the way for exponential growth of a token. Our highly experienced team knows exactly how to push meme coins to mainstream media, as we have done it before, and we will do it again very soon. You will know about Pepelon, and we are glad to have you as early investors. Now, it says on their roadmap here, phase 1 is team formation, then creation of the contract, creation of white paper website, token development and audit, KYC and SAFU. Phase 2 is going to be begin pre-sale marketing, build the community on Telegram, pink sale fair launch, begin pre-launch marketing, and then launch on Pancakeswap. Phase 3, guerrilla post-launch marketing, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listing, tier 2 central exchange listings, trending on Twitter, and then over 5,000 holders. Phase 4, international marketing plus new communities, 2 tier 1 central exchange listings and another tier 2. Further partnerships with top tier influencers, partnerships with successful projects and over 10,000 holders. Phase 5, secret utility announcement. What could it be? I don't know. Maybe they have no idea. So they do have the tokenomics on their white paper here. By the way, their white paper is at pepelon.gitbook.io. Pretty straightforward here. We already went over token allocation. It talks about all the marketing they're going to do, all the different ads like KuCoin ads, Google ads, TikTokers, Telegram bots, and buy bots and groups, all sorts of stuff on here. So utility, it says, Pepelon is a multifaceted meme coin which offers the next generation blah, blah, blah. We will be blunt and honest. This is a pure meme coin and strives on focusing to ensure maximum exposure. More memes, more viral marketing, and that's what they're focused on. We realize that the market at the moment favors tokens with high memeability, and that's exactly what we're here to aspire to do. We do, however, have some resources to build utility for Pepelon down the road, something which hasn't been done before. Stick around, and after mass exposure, we will proceed with utility creation. Just wait till we trend worldwide, it says, and yeah, and then that's about it. So it has the socials linked on their white paper as well. So check this token out. It's live for pre-sale for about another day or so, and then shortly after that, it'll be moving over to Pancakeswap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.